So this is going to be one of those rare videos where my face isn't in it. Sorry about that. But some people had asked me, sent me some emails, linked me the stories. This one was one of the links, venturebeat.com, about eBay using augmented reality to show sellers how the best way to ship their packages are. And so I wanted to cover it. It doesn't require my face being in this video. It's not often that I'm not actually in the video, but that's okay. What's important is what's on this website and this link that will all be down below. And hopefully you guys have some opinions about this, and hopefully you guys will give me some feedback on this. Okay, so here we go on venturebeat.com. You may or may not follow this website. If you don't, that's okay. I'll link it down below. This story started on the 19th, which was Monday, but it also has since jumped over to other websites, so you're welcome to Google it on other websites. But basically, eBay is using augmented reality to help sellers find the right box for their product. That's us, the sellers. So let's scroll down here, and it says eBay's continuing its augmented reality embrace. That's AR. Anytime you see that AR, that's what it means, augmented reality. If you remember about, 2 weeks ago, I did a story on Amazon doing augmented reality where you could take an item that you were looking to purchase, say a microwave or a couch or whatever, and you could point it, once you found it on your screen on Amazon, you could point it at the position in your home where you wanted that item to live, basically, and it would show you what it would look like in your house. Well, eBay has flipped the script and is basically allowing you to open the app and take an item that you already own that you want to sell and ship out, and it will show you what box is proper or will fit for that item. So available only on some Android devices is what it's saying, which I had read just a few minutes ago. If you guys have Android device, can you tell me if you see this or if it works? Or, I'd love to hear from you if you have an Android. It doesn't look like it's available on iPhone just yet. I'm not sure. It doesn't show a date for that, and I haven't been able to find one either. Basically, eBay tapping Google's ARC Core software development kit, SDK, to leverage motion tracking and environmental awareness to help merchants position a physical product inside a virtual box. So there's the kind of picture of how it works on the app. You're going to put the item on a flat table, which is what it says. To access that feature, just tap the selling part of your eBay account and hit the Will It Fit button. You'll need to place your item on a flat horizontal surface, and it is a beta feature. So here you go. This looks like somebody using an Android phone. There's the Will It Fit part. And then, of course, the item sitting on a table. You'll need to aim your smartphone camera at the surface around the product to map the area. You could try various USPS package sizes to find the right box. So they give you the options: small, medium, medium side, medium top loader, large top loading, all the different flat rate prices. I don't know if they're going to give you like another option, like maybe regional. I'd be curious, again, if you have Android. I don't have Android. We only have iPhones and iPads here. How it works, if it's good, if it's bad, all that good stuff. Make sure to comment down below if you do try it out. Google debuted the ARC Core SDK back in August, bringing AR to Android phones without the need for additional sensors or hardware. Previously, you guys might remember AR, augmented reality, did require sensors or hardware. ARC Core only works on Android 7.0 devices and later, so make sure you have 7.0. Google's own Pixel branded smartphones, the Galaxy S7 and over, OnePlus 5, the LG V30, and the Asus Zenfone AR will all work with it. eBay dabbled with AR, including back in 2011 when it introduced a See It On feature that allowed you to try on virtual sunglasses before committing to buy. But that was pretty basic stuff. And then it goes on to talk about all this. Some estimates predicting AR technology industry will be worth $83 billion by 2021. Pretty crazy. Facebook, of course, doing it. So anyways, I'll link this story. What do you guys think about this? Do you think this will be helpful for sellers? My opinion, I kind of see this as being bad because people are going to click on things, see, especially newer sellers, and see what item or what box the item's going to fit in when there may be other options. I'm curious to see what options they offer. Maybe a regional box is better. Maybe by weight is better. Maybe UPS is better for you. I think this is going to limit people to the potential options. It will give you the best of the options available on this, but unless it gives you every option with every possible combination, it's not, helping you as a seller. So I think that's kind of a negative. What do you guys think about that? And what do you think about AR technology in general? I think it's super cool. I think the Amazon shopping AR, where you can see the item like the couch in your living room, that's awesome. But this is, I don't know, this might be a little bit, eBay biting off a little more than they can chew on this. I'm not sure. So let me know your thoughts. Comment section below belongs to you. Thank you guys so much. Give the video a big thumbs up. And as always, make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on, and I will be live later tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern time. That's in about 5.5 hours. So make sure you come back and check out the live show. We're going to have an eBay seller whose 2,000 active listings or better turn into amazing sales, and hopefully that will inspire you guys to do the same. I'll see you then. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.